Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually remove password in order to start editing your sheets and your database and etc. So, first of all, what I need you guys is to open of course your Microsoft Excel and then go to the sheet that you have made the password in it. So, first of all, let me show you how you can actually make a password for your own sheet. So basically that's my sheet and I want to make a password for it. What I'm going to do is go to this menu and then click on here, I think review. So from review, and then I go ahead and choose either protect sheet or protect workbook. So now I will go to protect sheet. Now here you choose what can the other users do. So for example, they can select locked cells. You can let's see something, delete columns, sort, use autofilter. For example, they can for example edit something. Let's see, edit objects and edit scenarios. So something like that, or let's make it delete rows and delete columns. So let's make it like that. So as you can see now, if I go here, I can't really type, and the message that they gave me, the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make this change, a protected sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So here, I have the access to unprotect the sheet because I didn't put a password. So for example, let's put a password real quick. So let's make it real quick. 123 123. Okay, so now in order to remove the password and be able to actually uh, start editing on this sheet or on this page, what you could do is go here, click on protect sheet, and from here just write 123 123 or the code that you have created, and then press OK. And now guys, you can start editing the page. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.